Hi guys, welcome back with me, Chow Chow 2025. This time I'm going to learn how to download and install Git. Go to git.scm.com, link in the description, and just click this. Download for Windows. You could use portable or standalone installer. I suggest you use this 64-bit Windows installer. Download it, and then we'll see. Get a folder here, Git, double click it. For Windows, this is all, yes, next. Here you could install anything you want. Just leave it at default. Let Git use default branch name. Okay, whatever. This is the recommendation. Do this. Okay. You could just follow the default setting. Okay. Finished. Now let's try using CMD. So CMD. Git version. Okay, let's try Git something. Okay, we're going to try Git the fast. So let's see the code here. Copy paste this. Now we will get it. First we need to decide where we want to put it. So what to put on the learn directory. Now use git clone, right click, and I'm going to cloning the fuzz. It's a library for fuzzy logic and fuzzy compare in Python. And now there's the fuzz here. Okay guys, I think that's it for the Git, installing it and using it a very simple way. Thank you for watching, hope it helped, and have a nice day.